be doing the basic introduction to some of the courses you'll be doing for Math 101 and Math 161. So the first topic you have is set. Of course, you probably might have done set, so it still remain the basic set in your secondary school days, just that you'll be having some little advancement on the notations and the rest. Then we have the real number system, where we talk about different type of numbers, the whole numbers, the natural numbers, the real numbers, the integer set of integers, and how they range and they arrange. Then we talk about functions. We have the domain of function, the range of a function. We have different type. We have implied function and the likes, and we have different types of functions. So you'll be dealing with types of functions as well. Then binomial expansion. We have quadratic equations. We have inequalities. Mind you, the topics we have here still require the basic knowledge you have on them. So if at all you'll be seeing something different, then it will just be little changes. So you can use your secondary school textbook, or you can use the recommended textbook, which is Bondi textbook. That's Bondi textbook. So there is the PDF, the soft copy for the Bondi textbook, and there is also the hard copy. So we have trigonometry, we have complex number, we have Taylor's and Maclaurin series. This is different from series and sequence. You just need this. This is a bit advanced part of the series, but it's way forward and simple. We have indices, logarithm, and sort. We have equivalent relation. Equivalent relation, whereby you talk about symmetric property, transitive property, and the likes. Then we have matrix and determinant. So that's everything you'll be doing on Math 101. Then for Math 161, Math 161 covers just two topics, and the two topics are splitted into two parts. That's statistics and probability. So you start statistics from the scratch, whereby you talk about data, you talk about the inferential statistics and descriptive statistics, and every single thing you have. So your secondary school knowledge is highly needed in this case. Then we talk about types, sources, method of collation, the presentation of data, error and approximation. So once you are moving to error and approximation, you'll be leaving the secondary school aspect, whereby you talk about skewness and kurtosis, frequency and cumulative distribution. You talk about rate, ratio, and index number. Then you talk about probability. Probability is different. We have distributions in probability, and the only indicated distribution that you'll be doing, of course, we have thousands of distribution, but for your set, you'll be doing student t and chi-squared distribution only. Thereafter, correlation and regression. Meanwhile, mind you, most of these topics might not be treated by your lecturer. Topics like hypothesis testing might not really be tested, but you will see them in exam. So it is advisable to read all through the timetable.